How to change your seat after purchasing a ticket on Ticketmaster UK. First of all, make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now, you can often change your seat after purchasing a ticket on Ticketmaster UK, but it highly depends on the event and the specific terms set by the event organizer. However, the procedures goes on something like this. First thing, you have to go and log in. For that, type in ticketmaster.com or .co.uk, and it's going to take you to their official page. Here you'll have to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and make sure to go ahead and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, then you can go ahead and navigate to your order history section, such as my ticket section, and when you do that, you could go ahead and choose the event for which you want to change your seat. In my case, I'm unable to show you the actual procedure, so I'm just going to be instructing you. So then when you've done that, you need to go ahead and choose the event for which you want to actually change your seat plan. So when you have done that, you can go ahead and look for an exchange or seat change option. Some event may have an option or to exchange your ticket to a different seat, and this option might be available directly on the website, or you may need to contact the customer service team as well. And if you don't see the following option, then you'll have to contact the customer support team. For that, you need to go ahead and press on the profile once again, and then you can go ahead and tap on help or contact us. When you do that, you can go ahead and state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. Now be aware that not all event allows seat changes, and there might be some time limit or fee associated with changing your seat. So make sure to review all of the terms and conditions. Only then you could apply for or make sure to change your seat plan. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.